Hello friends, let us start with electrochemistry. So here there are some questions asked. What is redox reaction? So redox reaction is nothing but the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So which form of energy is converted to electrical energy in dry cell? Now you know that dry cell contains chemicals. Dry cell मध्ये chemicals असतात आणि chemical energy convert होते electrical energy मध्ये. Okay. Now, dry cell is used to power our electrical and electronic equipments because it generates electricity. So here what is happening? Chemical energy is converted to the electricity. That is what we are interested in. Now here what is happening? Electrolysis is breaking down of ionic compound by passing electricity. So breaking down of electrolyte during electrolysis is a chemical reaction. Okay, तर आयोनिक कंपाउंड जो आहे त्याच्यातनं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास केली की तो ब्रेकडाउन होतो. ओके, and it converts into its constituents by passing electricity. This is called electrolysis. Electro म्हणजे electricity, lysis म्हणजे breakdown. Now electrolysis, electrochemistry is the area of chemistry which is concerned with interconversion of chemical and electrical energy. बघा, electrochemistry म्हणजे काय? What is electrochemistry? It is nothing but the study related to the interconversion of electrical and chemical energy. It also deals with the resistance and conductance. Resistance किती आहे, conductance किती आहे त्याच्यावर पण डिपेंड आहे. This will tell us the extent of ionization. आयनिक कंपाऊंड किती डिसोशिएट होतात, किती आयोनाइज होतात पाण्यामध्ये ते कळेल आपल्याला जर आपण याच्यामध्ये अभ्यास केला तर. If we study the resistance and conductance of solution, we'll come to know how much it is going to ionize. किती आयोनाइज होते त्याचे आयॉन्स किती तयार होतात. The study of electrochemistry is important in science and technology. So there are wide range of applications of electrochemistry. So formation of NaOH. NaOH is a very important chemical. Caustic soda, NaOH. It is basic in nature, you know, a very strong base. Then we have detergents, soaps, paper, NaCl. All these require electrochemistry. Then electrochemistry is very important in the production of fluorine. It is in fact the only way to produce fluorine. Fluorine तयार करण्यासाठी एकच मेथड आहे, electrochemical method. The process of electro-refining, electroplating, all these are nothing but electrochemical processes. So in 11th standard, we have learned about redox reaction, and these chemical reactions, they are there, oxidation, reduction, redox reaction. So they are present in this electrochemical cell. So we are going to study about the design and operation of these cells and all. Now current research is talking about the fuel cell. Fuel cell space research मध्ये वापरतात. So it is a compact source of energy. Okay, lot of energy in small size. That is nothing but the fuel cell. Now electrical conduction. So we know that electricity is nothing but the charge transfer. Whenever the charge is being carried away. So if it is a metal, the electrons are taking the electricity. They are carrying the current. Metals आहेत ना, metals मध्ये free electrons असतात. They form the conduction band and they carry the current. In solutions there are ions. They carry the current. Metals मध्ये काय असतं? Electrons. Solution मध्ये काय असतं? Ions. Okay? Remember this. Electrical conduction through metals involves direct flow of electrons. The outermost electrons, metals, form the conduction bond. Okay? Now let us continue. So we have come to know that electricity is nothing but charge transfer. Now if we see the electrolytic or ionic conduction, what is happening? So in this type of conduction, the charge is transferred through the ions. So it happens in electrolytes, molten or aqueous solution. Electrolyte जे आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये एक तर त्यांना मेल्ट करा किंवा त्यांच्या aqueous solution मधनं electricity pass करा. Now which are those electrolytes? These are nothing but acids, bases, salts. Acids, bases and salts. Acids आहेत, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे 3 important acid लक्षात ठेवा. हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड, सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड, नायट्रिक ऍसिड, याला मिनरल ऍसिड असं म्हणतात. आणि त्याच्यानंतर ऑर्गॅनिक ऍसिड्स पण आहेत. ऑर्गॅनिक ऍसिड मध्ये कोण आहे? ऍसिटिक ऍसिड माहितीये तुम्हाला, फॉर्मिक ऍसिड, लॅक्टिक ऍसिड, ऑल दीज आर ऍसिड्स यू हॅव टू रिमेंबर. तर जे आयोनिक कंपाऊंड्स आहेत, ऍसिड्स आहेत, बेसिस आहेत, ते सगळे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आहेत. ओके, so electrolytes have ions, they can carry the electric current. Conduction through electrolytic conductors involves transfer of matter from one part to another. It means that the current flows through an electrolytic conductor is accompanied by chemical change. So you can see this diagram, observe this. This is the setup which can be used to check the electrolytic conduction. So we can set up this. इथे रॉड्स आहेत, 2 इलेक्ट्रोड्स आहेत, सोल्युशन आहे आणि बॅटरी आणि लॅम्प आहे. ते सगळं जॉईन करून घ्यायचं. याच्यातनं जर करंट पास झाला तर लॅम्प ग्लो होईल. इफ द करंट पासेस थ्रू इट, द लॅम्प विल ग्लो, अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट ग्लो. So 5% solution of all these things you can take in distilled water. Remember, you have to take distilled water. You cannot use tap water because tap water contains ions. So take cane sugar, acetic acid, sodium chloride, urea in distilled water and check for its conductivity. So you can see that ionic compounds, acids, bases, they carry the current, but covalent compounds, for example sugar, they will not carry the current, remember. So conducting and non-conducting solutions can be identified with the help of this method. Sucrose and urea, they do not dissociate, they do not form ions. Sucrose and urea चे ions तयार होत नाही. So the conductivities of these solutions are nearly the same as that of water. Now pure water or distilled water is a bad conductor of electricity. The conductivity is very low. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे pH range 1 to 14 आहे. का ती 1 to 14 आहे? That is because of the dissociation of pure water. Dissociation of pure water is very little. खूप कमी होता dissociate. 10 raised to minus 14. Okay, total 10 raised to minus 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 7. That is a very